STEED'S Baby Bottle Bed, a hands-free multi-bottle feeder for baby animals. Keeps your baby animals contained. Feeds up to 8 baby animals at the same time. Measure what each baby animal is feeding. Slip bottles into bottle slots, adjust to needed position. Bottles stay in place. For hands-free and measured feedings. The mother can be involved with her babies while contained. Fur babies being contained gives more comfort to mother. STEED'S Baby Bottle Bed. Extra support when you need it most. Launching on Kickstarter. Support our mission.